How to turn off disable security delay in iPhone. So if you want to turn off disable security delay feature in your iPhone, then what you need to do, just watch this video. So if you're trying to change something on your iPhone and this security delay message pops up every time, I'll teach you how to get rid of it. So basically, when you start the process, like for example, if you want to change a password, then you'll need to wait for an hour, right? Because of that security delay feature. In order to get rid of it, you need to first open up your settings and then just scroll down and find the option of Face ID and password. Tap on it and it will ask you your password. You need to enter your password and you will get this kind of interface. Now, all you need to do is scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of stolen device protection, which is right here. You need to tap on it. Now, you need to turn this off. Make sure while turning this off, the delay message will again appear. So let me try to turn this off. As you can see that the security delay message has again popped up. You need to scroll down and tap on start security delay. This message will appear for the last time because once this security delay feature or this 1 hour has been completed, you'll be able to turn off the stolen device protection. Once you turn this off, then next time if you change something, if you want to change a password, then it won't show you this feature. So just go and turn off the stolen device protection and it will turn off the feature of security delay. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.